Are you still working?
Yes, I still do have a 9 to 5. It's a Monday through Friday job. So I have the evenings, I have the weekends, and I am using my 9 to 5 to fund my business. At some point, I would like to leave that 9 to 5 and just focus on just, the e-com side of stuff.
Right. We're gonna get there.
Yeah, no, definitely. I'm confident I will. But as of right now, it's just at 9 to 5 that I do work Monday through Friday.
So you would say that running an Amazon store and working a 9 to 5 and learning about e-commerce in general, you can balance it all, right? It's not hard to balance. It's not hard to maintain.
It's not very difficult to maintain. I do think that it does require dedication. Like you have to be wanting this to work. So right now things are smoothing out. But in the beginning, like the first couple of weeks, it was tough because, you work my 9 to 5, but sometimes I don't work till 5. Sometimes I work till 6, sometimes till 7. So I stay a little bit later, but then I have to do product research. I have to look into that stuff and that takes time. So in the beginning, I was staying up late. It was a little bit of a struggle for me because I stayed up till 11, 12, 1 a.m., 2 a.m. So doing both of them can be challenging, but I just remember my why. Like, why am I doing this? Like, why am I sacrificing my sleep to do this business, So in the beginning weeks, it was a little bit of a struggle, but it's definitely doable. But I think anybody who's doing this would say that you have to put in the work. You have to want this. Otherwise, you're going to start giving up.
100%.